Ayubovan, Vanakkam. Friends, it is my privilege to join you on this important occasion. We are embarking on a new chapter in the diplomatic and economic relations between India and Sri Lanka. The launch of a ferry service between Nagapattinam and Kanke-Santurai is an important milestone in strengthening our relations. Friends, India and Sri Lanka share a deep history of culture, commerce, and civilization. Nagapattinam and towns nearby have long been known for sea trade with many countries, including Sri Lanka. The historical port of Pumpuhar has been mentioned as a hub in ancient Tamil literature. Sangam age literature like Pattatina Palai and Mani Mekalai speaks about boats and ships moving between India and Sri Lanka. Great poet Subramanya Bharati, in his song Sindhu Nadiyan Misai, had spoken of a bridge connecting our two countries. This ferry service brings alive all those historical and cultural connections. Friends, during the recent visit of President Vikramasinghe, we jointly adopted a vision document for our economic partnership. Connectivity is the central theme of this partnership. Connectivity is not only about bringing two cities closer, it also brings our countries closer, our people closer, and our hearts closer. Connectivity enhances trade, tourism, and people-to-people ties. It also creates opportunities for the youth of both countries. Friends, following my visit to Sri Lanka in 2015, we witnessed the launch of direct flight between Delhi and Colombo. Later, we celebrated the landing of the first international flight in the pilgrim town of Kushinagar from Sri Lanka. The direct flight between Chennai and Jaffna began in 2019. Now, the ferry service between Nagapattinam and Kanke-Santurai is yet another important step in this direction. Friends, our vision for connectivity goes beyond the transport sector. India and Sri Lanka collaborate closely in the wide range of areas such as fintech and energy.